What time is it? 10 o'clock.
9:53. Wow. Dang.
It is 9:53 and we are all checked in at the hotel. The gentleman down at the front desk, we remembered him from last week. Why am I so bright? Oh my gosh. Guys, that brightness knob was cranked up. It must have been when I crammed the camera in the suitcase. Well, I'm still a little bright, but anyway, I'm very bright. But we're all checked in, so we're just gonna hang out here a little bit. Our friend gets off work at 11 o'clock, and we think we're gonna go on at least a little bit of adventures around the Metairie area. We're still here at the Homewood Suites in Metairie. The room is exactly the same as the previous room. We'll do a little spin, except it's a mirror image. We're in the opposite layout. But we got the kitchenette back there. It's all sorts of fanciness. A real bright room too. But anyway, we're hanging out for now, so carrying on. I don't think we did an official intro to this video, but that's fine. You know who we are. Hey everybody, I'm Jay, and this is D, and that's our backwards intro, and we are ParoDeeJay. Just kidding. Pow. Best intro.
Feels good. Having cold.
Oh, it's warm. Hey. Got some boudin balls. This is one food we didn't get to try when we were here last time. What is it? Sausage, rice, spices.
Spicy meat.
And look, they even gave you a salad on the side, so you can be healthy.
Yay.
See? Hey. Massive bowl of gumbo. I ordered the small. I don't think they know what a small is, but that's awesome. And jambalaya on the side. And D got grilled vegetables and massive gumbo. Wow. Chef Ron's gumbo stop, much approved. Now we're walking all the way next door to get snowballs. We're going to Snola. We hear they have stuffed snowballs, like chantilly cake stuffed snowballs. These are all words that let's go. Oh my gosh. That's a menu and a half over there. Oh. I got the prettiest one. Purple, gold, and green.
It's gonna be the worst.
Alright, let's sit down before I spill it. She got the chantilly cake version, stuffed with cheesecake, all sorts of berries. I got something, I just got it because it was purple, gold, and green. Purple, gold, and green, of course. Bananas Foster. I don't even know what's in here. It's just craziness. Wow.
This is a small people.
That's a small.
I think it's small food in New
There's not.
Yeah, well, okay, that's an extra small.
Oh yeah, you got the extra small strawberry.
Plain old strawberry.
How is your Snola experience?
It's good.
Yeah, you definitely had a very red flavor.
I got the chantilly cake.
Yeah.
So good.
Mine blended all together, so mine's kind of normal. But I had to get the purple, the gold,
Like
and the green.
authentic New Orleans dessert.
Sure.
Snowball. And they don't
And
have them really
chantilly cake.
anywhere else because it's a certain machine. I was trying to see the name of it.
Snow wizard.
Snow Wizard.
Yeah.
But you had a chantilly cake one, I had like a king cake one, so
So good.
we are New Orleans right now.
Yeah.
We could not get any more New Orleans unless we stuck some boudin balls in the snow.
We did have some. And gumbo. Really good.
Yeah.
Having a good day?
Update.
Food.
That's why we travel.
So we eat. Bye.
but you know,
Right.
if there were, that's you've got the bags with the bones in them.
I know. It's like you taking pictures up a side street. So we have ventured over now to the New Orleans Katrina Memorial. Hey!
It should be open.
Do they have their names?
No, these are the unknowns.
Oh, they don't.
Oh.
All you have to do is walk like 4 blocks to the left, and you're at Jazz Fest. So, you know. And I see we're on this side of Claiborne now. So I mean, this is the outskirts of the French Quarter. The French Quarter is like. You know,
Okay.
I'll pull it up. I doubt it.
Oh, that one. No, not that one, I wouldn't think.
I hope not.
Mm-mm. Well, we have arrived at a famous local establishment here.
Never been to one before.
Never before seen in the history of mankind, called a Walmart.
I think it's a Walmart, yeah.
Groceries, every kind of thing you could ever want in this one location. I would have never thought I'd see the day. Wow, let's check it out. Wow, look at all the stuff. Look, they have a hair salon. You can get glasses, groceries. Wow!
They still have a craft
Are you gonna start making door decorations for us with palm trees?
So we already have one.
Oh, wow, look at all this crafts.
It's really pretty.
Pineapples, uh-oh. So artsy.
You can put poops on your
Don't put poops on your door. That's gross. Nobody would do that.
You would.
I know. Popcorn. They even have snacks for you. You can fulfill all of your liquor needs right here in the Walmart. And get some tater chips. That was an amazing visit to Walmart. I got some command strips adhesive to hang our sign on the door. So much stuff.
And
Who knew?
what else do we got?
I don't know. We got stuff.
Okay, screwdriver.
Glasses, kit, screwdrivers. Drive-thru daiquiris at the daiquiri stop. Oh man. Alright, let's look at this menu for a while. Let's zoom in on all those flavors. Lake Pontchartrain. And a dog. Oh my gosh, she made a friend.
Nope, yeah. Yep.
That's a good look. I like that. Oh no.
What with you?
Come here.
I must smell funny or something. It was filmed.
Thank you.
Lake Pontchartrain spin. Wow! That's how that works. We're back in the room. We just got dropped off. We saw and did a lot of stuff.
She taught us so much history about New Orleans and like shotgun houses.
That's true. Architecture,
and camelbacks,
daiquiris,
and showed us some cemeteries.
alcohol.
He just like Walmart. We didn't know what that was.
Oh my gosh, you guys, Walmart, it's amazing.
So it was a really, really nice time and catching up with an old friend. So.
That's true.
Not that she's old. Just
Did you just call her old?
No.
Oh my gosh, but thank you to Jonta for
Thank you,
driving us
Jonta. We
around,
love
giving us
you.
a tour.
And
telling
have a
us-
good first cruise.
She is cruising in November for the
on
first time,
the
y'all.
Valor.
That's right, 4 days on the Valor.
Yeah.
So we had to try to teach her everything we knew about the Valor,
Yeah.
which we just learned. But anyway, so we're back in the room for now. It's like 4 o'clock, I think. And she's checking the time, isn't she? She's totally checking the time.
4:30.
Oh, 4:30. We're just gonna relax a little while, probably just order some dinner in. Simple, relaxing, and chill. And then tomorrow, I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. What do you want to do tomorrow in New
Heard
Orleans?
there's a cruise ship coming
Yeah.
in named the Glory.
Oh,
We should
let's
check
do that.
out.
All right, so we might jump on the Carnival Glory tomorrow
Maybe.
and just do a 7-day cruise that might just happen to go to Mahogany Bay, Belize, and Cozumel. That sounds good.
Sounds like a plan.
Okay.
Yeah, we should do that.
All right, we're gonna do that tomorrow. So follow along. The cruise adventures will continue. But
And you're invited.
New Orleans, you've been fun.
I love it. I love the people here. I think more than
Yeah.
anything, and the food. But like everybody's just so friendly and down to earth, and I don't know. Check it out. New Orleans is amazing.
Do it.
Do it.
It's big. It's easy.
What he said.
It's big easy. So yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and sign this video off because you know you got to do a proper ending, and we'll see y'all in the morning. So if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Become a Pyromaniac today. Socialize all our media: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Yep. And until next time, rock on.
Ugh.
That was weird.
It always is. Ah.